Aceh merupakan provinsi yang terletak paling barat Indonesia. Memiliki sumber daya melimpah, baik pertanian maupun perikanan.
Araniri State Islamic University, a bridge for your future career and spirituality. Universitas Islam Negeri Araniri, Araniri State Islamic University, which is located in the province of Aceh, Indonesia, was established in 1962. Within its span of time of its development, UIN Araniri has played an important role not only in Islamic studies, but also in science and art. As a prominent university, UIN Araniri has given positive impacts towards the development of education in Indonesia in general and Aceh province in special. Today, UIN Araniri has transformed itself as the biggest Islamic university in Aceh, which develops many areas of study programs which have various backgrounds of lecturers graduated from prominent universities in the world. In addition, in supporting its teaching and learning programs, UIN Araniri has been completed with modern and beautiful infrastructure and facilities to meet its demand in this modern era. Now, UIN Araniri has more than 27,000 students who study in undergraduate and graduate programs with various measures of study. Vision: become a superior university in the development and integration of Islamic science, technology, and art. Mission: to create graduates who are academically competent, have a professional and vocational competitive, future-oriented, and noble. To develop a multidisciplinary and integrative research tradition based on Islamic Sharia, to implement knowledge to build a civil society that has faith, knowledge, and benefaction. Faculty of Education and Teacher Training, Bachelor of Education, Islamic Religious, Bachelor of Education, Teaching Arabic as Second Language, Bachelor of Education, Teaching English as Second Language, Bachelor of Education, Madrasah Ibtidayah Teacher Education, Bachelor of Islamic Education Management, Bachelor of Education Physics, Bachelor of Education Mathematics, Bachelor of Education Biology, Bachelor of Education Chemistry, Bachelor of Education Islamic Early Childhood Education, Bachelor of Education Informatic Engineering, Bachelor of Education Electrical Engineering, Bachelor of Education Guidance and Counseling. Faculty of Law and Sharia, Bachelor of Law and Sharia Family Law, Bachelor of Law and Sharia Islamic Crime, Bachelor of Law and Sharia Comparative Law and Mazhab, Bachelor of Law and Sharia Islamic Economic Law, Bachelor of Law and Sharia Science of Law, Bachelor of Law and Sharia Constitutional Law. Faculty of Social and Political Science, Bachelor of Social and Political Science, Bachelor of Public Administration Science, Faculty of Psychology, Bachelor of Psychology, Faculty of Usul Ad-Din and Islamic Philosophy, Bachelor of Usul Ad-Din and Islamic Philosophy, Science of Al-Quran and Tafsir, Bachelor of Usul Ad-Din and Islamic Philosophy, Islamic Sociology, Bachelor of Usul Ad-Din and Islamic Philosophy, Aqidah and Islamic Philosophy, Bachelor of Usul Ad-Din and Islamic Philosophy, Study of Comparative Religion, Faculty of Da'wah and Communication, Bachelor of Da'wah and Communication, Communication and Islamic Broadcasting, Bachelor of Da'wah and Communication, Islamic Guidance and Counseling, Bachelor of Da'wah and Communication, Islamic Society Development, Bachelor of Da'wah and Communication, Da'wah Management, Bachelor of Da'wah and Communication, Social Welfare, Faculty of Adab and Humanities, Bachelor of Adab and Humanities, Arabic Language and Literature, Bachelor of Adab and Humanities, History of Islamic Civilization, Bachelor of Adab and Humanities, Library Science, Faculty of Science and Technology, Bachelor of Science and Technology, Chemistry, Bachelor of Science Technology, Biology, Bachelor of Science and Technology, Architecture, Bachelor of Science and Technology, Environment Engineering, Bachelor of Science and Technology, Information Technology, Faculty of Islamic Business and Economic, Bachelor of Islamic Business and Economic, Sharia Banking, Bachelor of Islamic Business and Economic, Sharia Economics, Bachelor of Islamic Business and Economic Science, Postgraduate Programs, Doctor of Modern Fiqh, Doctor of Education, Islamic Religious, Master of Islamic Science, Master of Family Law, Master of Education, Teaching Arabic as Second Language, Master of Al-Quran and Tafsir Science, Master of Islamic Broadcasting Communication, Master of Sharia Economic, Master of Education Islamic Religious. Araniri State Islamic University, Banda Aceh, Indonesia.